Well, good morning. I just finished editing and uploading 2 days worth of videos because I totally just didn't have time to edit yesterday. And there are fingerprints all over this. That's a little bit better. So last night after everybody went home, I spent a little bit of time in the shed and I built these. These are hasps, which I learned what they're called apparently yesterday. Since I didn't want to buy any locks for this part, I was like, you know what, fixing that in there, and then, yeah, it's just easier to do this. So I got my rivet gun, and I riveted this hasp on here, and then I've got just a master padlock on. I've got one on the top, one on the bottom, so it stays secure on both ends. You can't just rip, the bottom out or just rip the top out. And if I did it in the middle, you could rip just, this corner off or that corner off. I installed these with, let's see if I can open it here. I installed these with rivets on both the top and the bottom, or the top and the hinge. And then you just undo it like that, undo that one, pop that, and then the whole thing opens. And close it. I mean, you guys know how latches work. Lock and almost lock. There we go. And it doesn't look half bad when the lock's right there. You can't really see it when you come up to it. You can kind of see a little bit of the edge. Well, that one. Let's just fix that. There we go. But I don't think it'll be too bad for whoever's looking at it. This right here is the state of the shed. This needs to be taken care of. It's Christmas Eve, which means I'm probably not going to have time to take care of it today, but it really needs to be taken care of. I really need to place these vending machines somewhere, or maybe get a storage unit just for temporary. Even if it's just for temporary, I know at least one of these machines is going to be going to the university, but the one at the university is going to be brought back here, and then the other one is going to be put at a hotel, which they are doing some renovating and I can't put it yet. It looks like I have a phone repair to do. I will do that and be back. Last night it got a little windy and my fence fell down again, so I'll have to fix that. We had another fire last night in the fire pit. I got a lot more stuff burned. I'll show you that pile. But it got really windy last night and really rainy, so we had to put that out prematurely. There's the pile. I know I showed it to you guys the other day, and the pile is much, much lower than it was, including this pile here. Still haven't done anything with this truck. I think I'm going to wait until it warms up to do anything with this truck. That snow that I told you guys was coming turned out to be just rain. We're not getting any snow for Christmas, which sucks. I really like it when it's a white Christmas. It looks like we might be getting some a little bit later in the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But none for Christmas. Brr, it got really cold. I had to switch lenses. This one I can actually film stuff in the shed and be able to articulate what I'm trying to talk about without being this close to everything. So this stuff I am going to be going through, seeing what's there, seeing what I want to keep, seeing what I want to toss or not keep. So that's what I'm doing now. So far I'm making a little bit of progress. It's looking pretty okay. Got a little bit of a problem over here, but I have been working on this side. So I'm going to continue working on this side, just making my way down, just making my way towards this side of the shed. Kind of working along the benches and the floor at the same time. We'll see how much we can get done tonight. It's 7:35 and I have to go to work at 11. We'll see how much we can get done. It's looking a little bit better in here. The toolboxes are pretty much cleared off and the floor is pretty much clear. This is all the stuff I got from that gal Nancy, and then some of that stuff over there. but I can finally like walk in here without having a problem. And a little bit of garbage that we need to throw away. But the next thing I need to do is find a place for all of these. This one's ready to go, and that one's ready to go. This one actually is not ready to go. This just needs to be cleaned. This little part right here. The outsides need to be cleaned. I can do that on site. And these ones are good to go. I think I'm just gonna go relax Christmas Eve and turn these heaters off, go relax with the family, hang out, just chill before I gotta go to work. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. I gotta go to, or 11 p.m. and then I get off work at 7 a.m. My goodness. That's gonna be it for today. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing and clicking that bell. And I'll see you tomorrow, which is Christmas Day.